What if there was a creature that can never truly die? Imagine a tiny, beautiful jellyfish floating peacefully in the ocean. It looks completely normal, small, transparent, and delicate. But scientists discovered something shocking about this jellyfish. When it gets old, when it gets injured, or even when it is starving, instead of dying like every other animal, this jellyfish does something no other creature on Earth can do. It rewinds its own age. It turns its body back into a baby stage, like hitting a reset button on its life. This is the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. How is this even possible? How can something so small cheat death again and again? Today, we're going to explore the incredible science behind this tiny immortal creature. And by the end of this video, you might start wondering, what if humans could learn something from it? So stay with me, because this is one of the most mind-blowing stories in all of biology. So how does this tiny jellyfish actually do it? Let me explain it in the simplest way possible. Normally, when any animal gets old or injured, its body starts breaking down. Cells get damaged, organs stop working properly, and eventually it dies. But the immortal jellyfish does something completely different. When it faces danger, like starvation, injury, or old age, it doesn't fight to stay the same. Instead, it melts its own body. It turns from a grown jellyfish back into a tiny blob. Then this blob settles on the ocean floor and transforms into a polyp, which is basically its baby stage. From this baby stage, it can grow again into a full jellyfish. It's like the jellyfish says, "I don't like this old body anymore. Let's start over from the beginning." Scientists call this amazing process transdifferentiation. In simple words, its cells can change from one type to another type. See-through cells can become muscle cells. Nerve cells can become stem cells. It can completely rebuild its body whenever it wants. This is not normal healing. This is biological time travel. And the most incredible part? This one small creature could do this process again and again. There is no known limit to how many times it can reset its age. In theory, this one small creature could live forever, unless something eats it or takes it out of the ocean. So far, scientists have never seen one of these jellyfish die from old age. So why is this tiny jellyfish so special? Because it doesn't just survive. It has found a way to reverse aging. When most animals get older, their cells get damaged and stop working properly. But the immortal jellyfish can take those damaged cells and turn them back into young, healthy cells. This process is called transdifferentiation, which means its cells can change their job completely. One day, a cell can be a muscle cell. The next day, it can become a stem cell and start building a whole new body. Think of it like this. Imagine your phone gets old and slow. Instead of throwing it away, you press a magic button and it turns back into a brand new phone, as good as the first day you bought it. That's exactly what this jellyfish does with its own body. And the most amazing part? It can do this reset as many times as it wants. Scientists have kept these jellyfish in labs for years. They have injured them, starved them, and stressed them. And every single time, the jellyfish simply turns back into a baby polyp and starts its life again. There is no known limit to how many times it can do this. This makes the immortal jellyfish the only known animal in the world that can biologically live forever, unless something outside kills it. No old age, no natural death from aging, just an endless cycle of growing up and going back to being young again. This little creature has solved one of nature's biggest problems, death by old age. And now scientists are asking the big question, if this jellyfish can do it, could we ever learn to do the same? So after understanding all this, here is the most amazing part. This tiny jellyfish has solved one of the biggest problems in nature, death by old age. It doesn't just heal, it doesn't just survive, it completely rewinds its life and starts fresh again and again. Scientists believe this little creature could theoretically live forever, as long as nothing eats it or takes it out of the ocean. This makes the immortal jellyfish the only known animal in the world that can biologically defeat aging. The real magic is in its cells. They have the power to change their identity whenever needed. Muscle cells become stem cells. Old cells become young again. It's like nature gave this jellyfish a permanent reset button. This discovery has shocked the entire scientific world because it shows that reversing age is not impossible, at least for one species on Earth. Now, imagine if we could understand how this jellyfish does it. What if scientists one day figure out how to use the same trick in humans? That question is so big that we will save it for the next video. For now, just remember this. Even in nature, death by old age is not always the final rule. If this story about the immortal jellyfish blew your mind, tell me in the comments, would you want to live forever if science made it possible? And if you want more simple but powerful science stories like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell. See you in the next video.